we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this new card from MTG's Modern Horizons 2. How do you pronounce this long name? Asmoranomardicadaistinaculdacar. Pretty straightforward once you break it down. So let's do this. Asmorano, okay, and then Mardica, it's just all written down and it's pretty straightforward at the end. Daistinaculdacar, and you do want to insist on that cool syllable here, okay, because this is a cool name. Asmoranomardicadaistinaculdacar, okay. Asmoranomardicadaistinaculdacar. It's actually really easy once you know Asmoranomardicadaistinaculdacar, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting long words, some of the longest words in English and beyond. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.